Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. Today we're going to take a look at this 2-bag from Ounic. This 20-inch bag will give you plenty of space to store all of your tools for your next job. Let's get this opened up and take a look. It comes in a sealed bag. And it's got a little zip opening here. We'll go over all the details of this bag. Bag comes a little flat for shipping, but it easily opens up for usage. All right, the first step to getting this bag open, the handle here will slide out and then it'll come apart. Then you can get the zipper opened up. Spread open the bag. It's going to be a little stiff at first. Get the bag spread open, straightened out. Being that it's a real thick, heavy-duty material, you're going to have to work it a little bit, get it formed back into its correct shape. Inside you're going to find the shoulder strap, which we'll install in just a few minutes. And here's a look inside your bag. This bag measures 20 inches wide by 13 inches high and 9 inches deep. There's plenty of room in there to store all of your tools. It features a locking handle that slides out and easily separates, along with an easy to use zipper. No resistance. Also included is this handy shoulder strap, which clips easily into place. This bag is constructed of 5 layers of fabric, making it waterproof and anti-puncture. Has a waterproof coating and a thickened Oxford outer shell. There are 8 pockets on the outside of this bag. 3 of them on the front. Use a Velcro lasp to keep them closed and secured to keep your items from falling out. There's 2 large pockets on the sides of this bag, as well as 3 more pockets on the rear of the bag. Inside the bag you'll also find 8 storage pockets. The bottom of the bag is made from reinforced plastic and is sewn with a reinforced double stitch. With its waterproof design and multiple ways to carry it, this 2-bag is the perfect choice. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you guys are in the market for a heavy-duty 2-bag, check out this one from Ounic. I'll have a link down in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.